I'm Ali Bey, CEO of Totem Technologies. I'm also president of a small DoD contracting company, so I know exactly what you're going through when it comes to cybersecurity compliance. At Totem Technologies, we've built an online workshop to help you, our peers, with CMMC and NIST compliance. Meet our instructor, Adam.
Thanks, bro. I'm Adam Austin, cybersecurity lead at Totem Tech. Our online workshop focuses on cybersecurity compliance for small to medium-sized businesses. We start by explaining in layman's terms the cybersecurity safeguards required to protect U.S. government information. Then we help you build a system security plan to ensure your organization's continuously successful cybersecurity program.
All of our classes are instructor-led to help answer your questions in real time.
Our compliance management tool will be a huge help as you face these requirements by assisting you in managing your system security plan, your plan of action and milestones, and in generating your SPRS score, all in one place.
We've helped over 170 companies with DFARS compliance. Check out the information below to see how Totem Tech can help you with your DoD cybersecurity.